Hey everyone, join me as I transform my unstretched hair into this adorable hairstyle. And you heard that right. I said unstretched, okay? I almost never style my hair unstretched. But go ahead and drop a heart emoji if you rocked this hairstyle before or if it just gave you major inspo. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for all things natural hair, from product reviews to wash and go routines and the like. I also share my faith in Christ through uplifting and encouraging videos. Don't forget to hit that bell and turn on all notifications so you never miss out. Y'all gotta forgive me if I sound nasally. I am currently battling a sinus cold, but let's get right into it. So the products I use to achieve this style are some of my most loved products of 2024. Specific product details are in the description as always, so don't forget to check them out. And so I kick things off with fresh, clean, and detangled hair, all prepped and ready to style. This makes my hairstyle much easier and less of a hassle, because we all know with kinky hair, it can get a bit frustrating if that hair is not detangled prior to styling. Okay, I intentionally didn't record this full wash scene, so if you guys are interested in my wash routine, I'll just link the video in the cards above and just click on that if you're interested. So I did clarify my hair and then followed behind with a gentle cleansing shampoo, and then I deep conditioned. I had a different look in mind, but I improvised and ended up loving it. So this is how I styled my hair. I went in first with a botanical gel and a mousse combo. I love using botanical gels now, y'all, because it keeps my hair moisturized for at least 7 to 10 days. So no worry about dryness or reapplying products. The mousse, y'all already know, if y'all watch my past videos, and I'll link them in the cards above as well, that has been my go-to product for manageability and keeping everything in place. This is the perfect combo cocktail, or cocktail combo. So I braided my hair into a slight angle to elevate this basic style instead of braiding my hair straight to the back. Since I'm braiding on unstretched hair, it might not be as super neat, and you guys have to be okay with that. That's the beauty of kinky natural hair, okay? If braiding also isn't your thing, no worries. You can either twist or flat twist instead. The goal here is to always keep it low maintenance, easy, and quick. And to finish off, I went on ahead and two-strand twisted my ends, and then I two-strand twisted the back as well. With summer still in full swing, y'all, I've been feeling super creative and having fun with new hairstyles and new ideas on my natural hair without any extensions. So far, this has been an extension-free summer. If these styles help you and it's helping you break away from the mundane, show some love with the heart eye emojis down below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.